Now, the Gauteng MEC for Roads and Transport, Gidiboni Diale-Tlabela, launched the Provincial Public Transport Women's Desk at the Derek Sook Regional Office in Johannesburg this morning. The initiative aims to transform the transportation sector into a fair and inclusive environment while addressing the challenges faced by women in the sector, particularly those in the taxi industry.
Isebe lezendlela nothutho eGauteng liphehlelele iqonga loncedo lamanina kwezothutho lukazwelonke njengenyathelo lenguqu elijolise ekujonganeni nemicelimngeni ethile abasetyhini abajongene nayo kwicandelo lezothutho efana neendima zobunkokheli ezinqongopheleyo ukuquka nokunikeza ngamathuba kwezoqoqosho nenkxaso-mali.
Women who are in the industry are affected by the violence. And this center is one of those steps we are taking in trying to resolve the challenges within the industry. I'm not exonerating ourselves from the problem. We are regulators. We have not done our work for a very long time. And that must stop. And this is one of those steps we are taking to make sure that that stops. Because when we have recruited you and you say, I'm here to work and serve the people, you must serve the people.
Ukuphehlelelwa kweli ziko kugxile ekuguquleni icandelo lezothutho libe yindawo enobulungisa nebandakanyayo nokwabelana ngezakhono nokunikezana ngenkxaso.
As women, we are determined to move Gauteng forward. We want to empower each other through ensuring that the service is safe, it's reliable, and it's able to uplift our livelihoods as women of this province. So this is not just a center. So we are starting to give meaning to an operating license. There's a whole lot to be achieved here and that we must do. And I hope that you will all take this opportunity today for us to define a moment for ourselves, and not only for ourselves, but for the soul of our society.
Umphathiswa uthi eli ziko liza kuba yindawo apho namanina asaze ngobuso ezweni aza kufumana khona amathuba okuza namacebo amatsha akhayo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eGoli.